Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best eyelash bottle is probably one of the most essential yet overlooked tools in achieving those dramatic, fluttery lashes we all desire, transforming a simple makeup routine into an art form. This seemingly small container holds the key to preserving the integrity and performance of your favorite mascara, ensuring every application is as flawless as the first, preventing clumping, drying out, and that dreaded breakage that can ruin your look. It's the unsung hero of your beauty arsenal, working diligently behind the scenes to deliver voluminous, lengthened, and perfectly separated lashes that command attention. Number 5. STACY Lash Shampoo 50 ml Kit. Introducing our premium Lash Shampoo Kit, designed for a gentle yet effective cleanse. Keep your lashes looking pristine and healthy with every wash. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for optimal lash care. Achieve salon-quality results right at home with our specially formulated cleanser and tools. Specially formulated for those with eyelash extensions, our foaming cleanser ensures they stay clean and beautifully maintained. Extend the life of your extensions with regular use. Experience a deep, thorough clean that removes impurities without stripping natural oils. It effectively cleanses clusters and natural lashes, promoting overall lash health. The kit comes complete with spoolies, a rinse bottle, a cleansing pad, and a brush. These tools ensure precise application and easy rinsing for a flawless finish. Regular use of this shampoo helps maintain the health and beauty of your lashes. Enjoy longer-lasting, cleaner, and more vibrant-looking lashes every day. What we like. This kit provides everything you need for a thorough lash cleanse. It's perfect for those who want a dedicated, gentle solution for maintaining their eyelash extensions or natural lashes. If you're looking for a comprehensive and safe way to keep your lashes clean, this is the one for you. What people say. It completely removes mascara, eyelash glue, eye boogers, and any other buildup without burning or irritating my eyes. The brush helps get deep between the lashes and along the lash line, making sure everything is removed without being too harsh. My lashes look fresher, fluffier, and longer lasting after each wash, and the formula keeps buildup and oils at bay beautifully. Number 4. USDA Organic Castor Oil Lash Serum. Discover the power of nature for your lashes. Our USDA Organic Castor Oil is the secret to achieving the fuller, thicker lashes you've always dreamed of. Experience pure, all-natural care with our cold-pressed castor oil. It's designed to nourish and condition your lashes, promoting healthy growth. Achieve stunning results with ease. The included mascara tube ensures a simple and precise application every time. Transform your look with noticeably thicker and fuller lashes. This premium treatment works to enhance your natural beauty. Our gentle formula is kind to your eyes while being highly effective. It's the perfect addition to your beauty routine for lash enhancement. Rest assured with USDA Organic certification. You're choosing a high-quality, natural product for your lash care needs. What we like. Experience the power of pure, organic castor oil for lash enhancement. This serum is designed to nourish and condition, promoting thicker, fuller lashes naturally. If you prefer all-natural ingredients and are seeking a simple yet effective way to boost your lash volume, this is an excellent choice. What people say. I see hair growth. The packaging and convenience of carrying it around like a mascara tube is really nice. This has saved me so much breakage. My lashes have grown longer than the fake lash ATP. It's not super thick or watery so it doesn't get into your eyes. The small brush and the other brush make it easy for both brows and lashes. I definitely have noticed my eyebrows and eyelashes have been slowly thinning over the years. This stuff is easy to use and the only downside is when it gets in my eyes when I put it on my lashes. It doesn't burn or anything, it's just goopy. I took both pictures 3 weeks apart without any makeup and in the same natural lighting. It looks like it is working. Number 3. Advanced Eyelash Serum for thicker, longer eyelashes and eyebrows. Tired of sparse lashes and brows? Discover our advanced serum designed to enhance your natural beauty. Get ready for noticeably thicker and longer lashes. Dreaming of luscious lashes? This powerful formula works to extend and thicken your lashes, giving you a more dramatic and captivating look. See the difference it makes. It's not just for lashes. Our serum also acts as a brow enhancer, helping to fill out and define your eyebrows. Achieve a balanced and complete look. Experience visible growth and thickness with our carefully crafted serum. It nourishes your follicles to promote healthier, stronger lash and brow growth over time. Simply apply it daily as part of your beauty routine. This convenient 3 ml bottle packs a punch, delivering impressive results for your lashes and brows. What we like? Achieve visibly longer and thicker lashes with this advanced serum. It also works to enhance your eyebrows, offering a dual benefit for your facial features. If you desire rapid results and are looking for a product that addresses both lash and brow growth, consider this powerful formula. What people say. My lashes look better now than in the picture above. I have not experienced any irritation to my eyes or eye area. I've actually gotten it in my eyes multiple times, no burning or issues. My lashes are at least 3 mm plus longer than they were prior to using this serum. They are fuller and thicker, less likely to break after removing waterproof mascaras, no matter how gently, and actually curl much easier because the hair is healthy. Number 2. Live Fresh Organic Castor Oil Lash Serum. Discover the power of pure organic castor oil. This potent serum is designed to nourish your lashes and brows, promoting natural growth for a fuller look. Experience the difference of 100% pure, cold-pressed castor oil. It's hexane-free, ensuring you get only the best for your delicate lash and brow area. Gently apply the serum to your lash line and brows. Its rich nutrients work to strengthen and condition, encouraging healthier, more voluminous growth over time. This set includes a generous 2-ounce glass bottle of pure castor oil, plus a convenient filled mascara tube for easy, precise application wherever you go. See a noticeable difference in the thickness and length of your lashes and brows. Embrace a more natural beauty routine with this effective, organic solution. What we like? Nourish your lashes and brows with this pure, cold-pressed castor oil serum. It's formulated for natural hair growth and conditioning, delivered in a convenient applicator. If you value purity, hexane-free ingredients, and a natural approach to lash and brow thickness, this organic option is ideal. What people say. The bottle is designed to prevent air from entering, which helps to keep the eyelash serum fresh and effective for longer. It has a precise applicator that allows for easy and accurate application of the serum along the lash line. The bottle is made of high-quality material that ensures durability and prevents leakage. Number 1. Valchoose 150 ml Pink Wash Bottles. Introducing our mini wash bottle, designed for easy lash extension care. It makes cleansing and application a breeze, perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. With its unique bendable nozzle, this bottle precisely waters hard-to-reach plant roots. It's the perfect tool for keeping your plants healthy and thriving. This bottle is incredibly versatile, ideal for storing various liquids like bleach, acetone, or cleaning solutions. It's also great for lash extensions, tattoos, and even watering plants. Crafted from premium LDPE material, it offers excellent flexibility and resistance to impact and chemicals. This lightweight bottle is easy to use and built to last. This multi-purpose squeeze bottle is a must-have for tattoo artists, plant lovers, and lab technicians. Its convenient design makes it an essential tool for various tasks. The secure lid ensures a tight seal, preventing annoying leaks and air escapes. You can trust it to hold your liquids safely and securely. What we like? This portable squeeze bottle offers unparalleled ease of use for lash extension care. Its flexible material and unique nozzle make precise application and cleaning effortless, even for hard-to-reach areas. If you need a convenient, travel-friendly solution for washing lashes or watering delicate plants, this is a must-have. What people say. The flow of water is easy to control as to not overwhelm new plants. The plastic is pliable enough to make squeezing it easy. Controlling the flow of water is very easy to do, and the graduated markings on the side make it easy to mix things like fertilizers accurately. This bottle is made from LDPE, low-density polyethylene, which is a durable and flexible plastic that makes it easy to squeeze and control the flow of liquids. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.